from 40 meter away from the foot of tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. What is the height of the tower? So let's take a scenario. There's a tower. It's a 40 meter away. Now angle of elevation on the top of the tower is given as a 60 degree. Let's consider this as A, B and C. You are simply asked the height of the tower. That is what I need to find out, BC. Let's consider that this is H. Now tan 60 is equal to perpendicular by base H by 40, which is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Done. So what is H? The H is 40 root 3. But when I look at the option choices, I don't have 40 root 3. Then I will multiply this by root 3 by root 3. You notice that root 3 into root 3, it's 3. 3 into 4, 12, 120. So it is 120 root 3 meters. Do we have 120 root 3 meter? Yes. This is the answer. And if you are new to my channel, I request you to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that any new video posted by me will first seen by you. Thank you.